explorers, and welcome to another video. And guess where we are? Welcome to Mabalingway.
Now this place is really awesome. It's really paradise in the bush. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone for liking and commenting on the Zanzibar series. Unfortunately that is done. So we are back to making local South African content. So yeah, let's show you this palace in the bush we are staying at. If you're lucky enough, you can spot an elephant. There's 23 of them in the park. We were unfortunately not that lucky, but we got to see some warthogs.
So Mabalingwe is 38 kilometers outside Bella and the perfect place for a weekend away if you stay in Joburg and Pretoria.
Yeah, it's 12,000 hectares, so it's pretty nice, big, and lots of places to explore.
There's one place you have to check out when you come to Mabalingwe, and that's Kalahari Oasis.
After Kalahari Oasis, the boys and I decided we want to be a bit more adventurous. We took the 4x4 route up to Vodacom Hill viewpoint, and man, the view was insane. Absolute views for days. In the rough. Oh, so close. Nice.
Home sweet home. We are so fortunate to have so many places to go to over weekends, which is close to Pretoria and Johannesburg.
Yes, definitely. It's just such a shame that weekends are made in China because they don't last very long.
That's so hard but true. But thank you so much for joining us this weekend, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thank you guys.
Bye.